Hi guys, welcome to LeftWM here. This video is about Awesome Super F7. I'm gonna launch me something. I don't have Awesome yet available, so I'm just gonna use one of those guys. ATT, Awesome on it, and then show you what's changed. So, Ctrl-Alt-E is still the ArcoLinux tweak tool. This is normal, by the way, if you were wondering. Awesome. Install. Retrieving packages, checking package integrity, and boom, done. Awesome is installed. We log out. I think that's this button. Log out. Choose Awesome. Login. And the change is that we'll have not 10 anymore, but 9, right? We can click it, but we can't address it. We can't go with it with super 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. The super 0, 10 doesn't work. So we decided to get rid of it altogether. If you have ventured your way through the ArcoLinux desktops, then you'll see that many of these tiling window matches stop at 9. So one less for Awesome. And here's the package. It's not on your system yet. It is right in etc/scal, meaning you need to get the etc/scal data. Now you can type scal, great, right? Learn what scal is. Sorry. And it makes backups and all that. But what we can do as well is just do manual labor. File system, etc, scal, Ctrl-H, and then config. All that's changed is this guy. That's all that's changed. So Ctrl-C, go to Eric, go to the config, and say, don't mess with my system, but do get the new code in. So replace all. And if we reload, that's finished. Super Shift R is the combo box. Then there is no 10 anymore. And that's all there is to say. So Awesome has got one less desktop. All right, cheers.